Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, because here we will have to enable the developer options, in which we'll find the option we're looking for. So here we have to find the build number, and let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. What's more, your device will automatically open the developer options, but if for some reason your device decides that it don't want to open it, no worries, you can find the developer options in advanced options, which are right here. Advanced options, so you have to go back to the general settings, enter the advanced settings, and here we've got the developer options. So if we've got the developer options turned on, all we have to do here is to simply scroll down a little bit to find automatic system updates. As you can see, in my case, this option is turned off, so in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here, and since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So basically that's all. This is how to enable automatic system updates in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.